welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal practice to know how it works, and of course to know to perfect your trading skill first before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. Okay, as for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable, just the way others have been doing. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000 and I'm on 5-minute time frame. I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, and of course just the way we have seen it, this has actually been selling right from here till it got to this support zone, broke out from this particular support zone, and of course it has gotten to this region, so it is going back on uptrend at the moment. So it pulled back a bit, but it will be going more into an uptrend. Okay, so this is going to be buying more than selling. Okay, it's going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, just where we have seen it. This had been on uptrend for a very long time right from here, and of course it has got into this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then definitely it's going to sell. Okay, but if it breaks out above it, then it should be going to the next resistance zone. So this is still buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time before it will go back into a sell trend. Okay, so that is very, very important. The next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and just the way we have seen it, this started the downtrend right from here, played around there for a very long time, pulled back, and finally went down till it got to this resistance, support zone. If it's unable to break out from here, then definitely it will be buying more. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, that is when it will go back into a buy trend. Okay, that is very, very important. This won't take long before it will go back into a buy trend, except if it breaks out below this support zone. That is when it will keep on selling. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500, and of course just the way we have seen it, this had been on a very strong downtrend, and of course got to this region, pull back, and still went back down to break out below this support zone. Okay, we can see this. Okay, it broke out below this support zone, and of course it kept on selling. It is still selling at the moment, but if it's unable to break out below the next support zone, then definitely it will go back into a buy trend. That is very, very important. The last asset we will be checking out is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, and it has got into this support zone. It was unable to break out below it, and of course it went back on uptrend, even though it pulled back for a while, but when it got to this support again, it went on buy trend again. So this is going to be buying more. The next resistance zone is somewhere around there, so you should be taking your your take profit around here. Okay, so that is very, very important, and once it breaks out above this, then we should be looking at somewhere here. Okay, and if it breaks out above that, we should be looking at somewhere here. Okay, this is very, very important, so you guys should take note of that. Okay, so this is also a buy, more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So guys, watch out for my next video.